another installment of AZ Camera Reviews, and today we're going to be talking about wireless microphones. Now, most of the time when I do these videos, I do it just with my voice talking to my Apple iPhone 13. Well, I thought it would be nice to be able to have a microphone so that my audio is clearer. So I decided to buy this Moudou wireless lavalier microphone. So let's take a look and let's see what's in the box. Okay, let's open it up and see what we've got. So first thing we're going to do is push this open, and this is the unit right here. It comes in a plastic bag. Let's open it up. Pretty well wrapped. This is the unit right here, and there's a charging port in the bottom that you can see, and it's a Type-C, so you can use a lot of your other stuff that charges on Type-C you can use on this, and a lot of Apple products now are using this Type-C. And when you open it up, you've got your two wireless microphones, and you've got your main unit that plugs into your actual cell phone. This is what the little units look like. And down on the bottom there's a little piece of tape that you have to remove. I'll pull it off. And then those are the two contacts for charging it. And let's see, let's put it in there. Oh, this also supplies power to these, so it charges them up while they're sitting in the case. So let's just, for the heck of it, let's do this one also. I don't know how charged they are, but let's plug that one in. Okay, and they're both charging. Let's see if this has a charger too. This one doesn't. This probably works off the battery on the cell phone. So I've got another cell phone here. This is an iPhone 13. And let's plug this in the bottom. Let's see if it goes in with the case. It looks like it does, but I don't know for sure, and we will find out in a minute. Let's look and see what's inside this little box of accessories. So it appears there's a little windscreen. They've got these little windscreens. They look really nice. Open that up. That's what the windscreen looks like. Let's see how they fit on top of the microphone. We'll grab the microphone out. And you'll see, you know, you have this clip here, right? So if you look on the back of this windscreen, it's got a hole for the clip. So you push that on there so you can use your clip. Let's see what else is in the box. You've got a charger, which is a Type-C charger. Oh, there's some other stuff in this box. Oh, you've got two foam windscreens also. And the foam windscreens fit on top of the unit like this. Just like that. Here's how those look. So I'm going to get this all set up. So now you hear what the audio sounds like on my phone, just me to the phone, and we'll see what it sounds like with this little apparatus. So after some experimentation, I found out that you can't really use the apparatus with the phone in a case, at least not the cases that I have. So what happens is you just plug it into the bottom of the phone and it'll snap in just like that. Goes in real nice. And there's a little green light on the back that shows that it's operable. So now let's see what the sound sounds like. So now I'm about 5 feet away, and let's try a distance test, because I'm a little bit of an audio aficionado and I like a lot of distance. So let's see where we lose the audio. So like I said, now I'm at 5 feet. Now I'm about 10 feet. Now I'm about 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Now, if you can still hear me at 50 feet, most people aren't going to be this far away, and I would say that these mics are pretty darn good. So you've seen the tests. This Moudou wireless lavalier microphone is pretty darn good for the price. And it comes in this really nice little box, and the box also charges everything, which is great. I think it's a great little microphone setup. Anyway, I'm Jeff with AZ Camera Reviews saying please watch us, please like us, please share us, and most of all, hit that button down below and please subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.